If you need to cancel a pending Apple ID transaction, follow these straightforward steps to ensure it is done correctly. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Navigate to the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. This is typically found on your home screen and has a gear icon. Step 2. Tap on your name. Once in Settings, tap on your name at the top of the screen. This will take you to your Apple ID settings. Step 3. Select Subscriptions. Scroll down and select the Subscriptions option. This will display all your active and pending subscriptions linked to your Apple ID. Step 4. Find the pending transaction. Look for the transaction that is pending. It may be listed under active subscriptions or as a separate entry if it is not yet active. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. Tap on the pending transaction and select the option to cancel it. Follow any prompts to confirm the cancellation. Once you have completed these steps, the pending transaction should be cancelled. Always check your email for confirmation or any updates regarding the cancellation.